Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. In this video, we are trying on my new cowboy boots. So, they're in a very huge box. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have the first pair. I don't know which one this is. I got two pairs. I went in person to try on the sizes and everything because I've never owned a pair. I know, kind of surprising because everyone has a pair, but I don't. It's been on my wish list for a long time. I'm out of breath. Alright, let's open it up. So this is my first time seeing one of the pairs because when I tried it on, I wanted the style in another color, but they did not have it in store, so we're gonna check it out. Oh, they look so nice. Wait, let me show you. Check this out. This is amazing. Oh, I love it so much. I love them so much. So initially I was looking at definitely brown. I just feel like brown is the best color for everything, and I don't really have a lot of brown boots. I usually always go for black because they're easiest, and it's not that I'm lazy, I'm just like scared to express myself. So now I'm leaning towards more color and more style. I started this channel because I wanted to try different style out and see what I actually like and to express myself through clothing. I always want to do it, but I'm always scared about people asking me, why are you so dressed up? These are gonna be perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. I just want to like bring it to bed with me because they're just so nice. I've been wanting a pair for so long. I cannot put them down. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I will put them down. I don't want this entire video to be like a good 10-minute video of me just like hugging on these cowboy boots, so I'm gonna gently set them down. Okay, moving on to the next pair. So for the next pair, I actually did something that is a little bit more adventurous for the old me because, you know, I'm not that brave to actually style clothing. Sometimes I would style at home and I wouldn't wear them out because I feel like it's just like too much and too dressed up. And that definition, dressing up, the definition for me, especially after the pandemic, is just like not wearing sweatpants, not wearing leggings. So yeah, I always also try to just blend in so no one asks me questions, but inside I actually want to express myself. So let's check it out. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. I'm probably just too excited. We have a really pretty blue color. So when I first stepped into the store, I saw this pair. I was like, okay, in love. I was like, okay, I'm there. I'm there to be wise. I'm not trying to like get every single pair, and I'm there to look for like a good brown boots that I can keep forever and wear until I'm like an old lady. But yeah, this happened and they're so pretty. It's such a nice and muted blue. I feel like it's gonna go with a lot of different outfits. So if you want to see me try them on and style these with different outfits, definitely stay tuned. I might be slow at this as I'm still trying to find my style and style more outfits and practice a little bit more, but I am here to stay, so you are going to see it. And if you're interested in taking on the journey with me, definitely consider subscribing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!